Woohoo! Let's make an Easter bow! To make the bow, you start with 1 2/3 yards of wired ribbon. Decide about how long you want your tails, and then make your loop according to the size of your basket that you're putting it on. Then once you make your loop, you make another one, cross it over, bring that ribbon behind, and then across the top of it so both tails are going down. If you missed how we did it, don't worry, we're going to show you 2 more times in this video. Once you like your bow shape, use your cloth-covered bow wire to go around your bow, and I tie a couple knots so it can't come undone. I grab my second wired ribbon at 1 2/3 yards. Now this one, I want the loop to be a little bit smaller than the back bow so you can still see that back ribbon. Same thing, take your ribbon, it goes behind your bow, and then you bring it up in front of your bow and straight across diagonally, making both tails going down, but a center where you can tie it all together. Make sure you love that bow size according to your back bow, and once you're in love, tie it all together. Now, grab your third ribbon, which I'm using an 1.5 inch wired ribbon, and I want this loop to be about the same size as the white one because it's a narrower ribbon. Make your bow going across and then bring it in back and straight over across diagonally. Fluff your little loops, make sure they're about the same size, and then tie it on again right on top. So we got 3 layers of ribbon using 1 wire. Now bring your wires in back and do a single knot, and we're going to use that same wire to tie it onto your basket. Where it's gathered, go around and tie a double knot, and then cut off your extra. Now it's time to cut tails. I like the V cut, so I fold 1 ribbon in half, and starting at the fold, the open part, going towards the fold, yeah. You want to make your V cut. I start at the open part and angle upwards. Be careful you don't cut those other tails. You did it! It's amazing! Add that special touch to